day 9 and our today's affirmation is I am enough.
So even you are enough and even we are enough. So as usual some pre-workout instructions. I hope अपने आप का warm up कर लिया है. If you have not done it, you make sure that you do it. Which is the link is already been shared on the message. Okay. With the stretch also, that is after the workout you have to end it with a cool down. So आज का जो workout है, it will be with the name enough. So there will be around 5 to 6 different variations. This account maybe it will be around 40 or 25 or 20. Again maybe we'll be able to do it, पर आपको एक range set करना है. You can do 10 or 15. So I think we should get started. Okay, let's start. So we just finished with our warm-up session. Okay, and now we are going to do the first one. ये हमेशा उर्वी का favorite है. That is a jump squat. So we both are going to show you the jump squats. Okay. So we will going to do the modified version. Okay. And I am going to do the normal version. Okay. So 25 counts of jump squat. You have to go on to squat. Your knees should not cross your toes. You land in squat and you jump in squat. So 25 counts. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Okay. Let's start. Chalo. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Okay? Just kick your legs. Okay? Stretch. Just a moment. Okay, continue. Will you continue?
Yeah. So the next exercise is we are going to do 50 sumo squats. Alright? So you have to open your legs wide. Toes should be outside. Okay? This should be regular squats से ज़्यादा space लेना है legs के बीच में. Alright? So let's begin.
50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, come on, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, come on, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 4. To stretch your legs. If you are tired, you can have a sip of water. So we just finished with our 2 variations. The next one is a mountain climber. A mountain climber is all about holding your core on your palms and on your toes. That is called a high plank hold. And then you use your core to drag your knees in and out. That's opposite elbow and opposite knee. Chalo. Everyone on the floor. You can go at your own speed. So total 30 counts of mountain climbers. Okay. Let's go to high plank hold. Let's start with left leg. Start. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to child pose. Just rest. Hold. Breathe. And slowly come out. And let's stand up. So now we are going to do 60 counts of high knees. So we are going to do a modified version. You need to use your core to lift your knees up and down. Your knees should come at your waist level. Okay? So to make it a little more intense, we can do it on your toes. So let's start with 60 counts. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 24, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew.
Throw your legs.
The next one is push-up. So we are going to do 20 counts push-up. Let's go on your knees. Let's go into a modified high plank hold. Your hand should be at your shoulder level. दोनों palms के बीच में 1 elbow distance. Okay. Shift your entire weight on your palms and let's go down with 20 good counts. So start. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to child pose. Whew. Let's breathe. And slowly come up. And the last one. We are going to do 60 counts of butt kicks. So the first 30 will be a modified version and the next 30 will be the normal version. Okay? So only might continue with the modified version and I will go with the normal version. So first 30, hands behind your butt and on toes. Let's start with left leg. Let's start. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh.
Yes, you have cracked it.
So we just finished with our workouts. Now, not to forget, you end your workout with a cool down, which is there. The link is there, mentioned in the message. Okay. So see you tomorrow. Okay. And today's affirmation is I am
Enough.
enough. Bye.